Hello guys, this is a video on how to change your air filter on Audi A6 C7 2012, so 2011 to 2018 3.0 TDI. So you just remove start by removing this cover. Let's take it out. All of the tools you need is a flat screwdriver, unloosen this turbine hose, unloosen it a little so you can take it out. Now here you have this clip. This will be a little tricky with one hand. You just click it to here to cross this plastic and just rotate it to this side, to counterclockwise, and just take it out. Remove all like this, take out the filter, little twist, and that's it. Yeah, this is it. And just to put it, to replace the air filter, just click it back, and that's it. You just rotate it on this side and remove, place it here and remove it. This, just watch that all of the pins get into these slots, and that's it. Screw and that is it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.